How to fix boot device not found hard disk 3F4 error. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to fix boot device not found hard disk 3F4 error. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. First thing first, you need to simply switch off your laptop and turn it back on. Press F8 to open the BIOS menu. Now navigate to System Configuration and then go to the Boot options. Enable legacy support by selecting it. Press Enter and choose Yes button. Once enabled, press the Escape key to go back and choose Exit Saving Changes and press Enter. Your laptop will restart and you will see a message asking for a confirmation code. Enter the code, for example 3925 displayed on your screen and press Enter. Now the Windows operating system will load. And with that, you will simply fix your issue. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.